Hello, this is Willa, and Wayfair has a customer service work from home position available, and they are hiring now. The job pays $14 an hour. Wayfair is an online company where customers can buy home furnishings and decorations for their home. You will troubleshoot and resolve customer service inquiries while building a relationship with the customer. You will provide service to customers seeking assistance with post-order issues such as returns, replacements, refunds, delivery status, back order inquiries, and any other issues that may arise in the order fulfillment process. The experience needed for this position is a strong problem-solving skills, excellent communication and relationship building skills, a passion for helping others, regular and reliable attendance. I will leave the link for this job below this video. If you decide that you would like to apply for this job and you do the application process and you may get hired, will you please leave me a comment below this video so I can see just how everything went? I wish you all well. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.